My video guide will provide you with detailed guidelines that will help you to remove the new adware type application called InformationLeader. So InformationLeader is a special adware that specifically attacks Mac computers. This adware, by the way, is from the adload adware family. The adware is specifically targeting Safari browsers. In fact, it may be injected to Safari through a special extension, even though you may also find this special standalone application called InformationLeader on your Mac through the Finder. This adware actually acts in a very aggressive manner. Once installed, it starts displaying the tremendous amount of advertisements that are not related to the sites that you actually visit. The adware may also periodically redirect you to many shady and dangerous pages that may cause your computer to be infected even more dramatically. So, to remove this adware, access your applications, find this program called InformationLeader, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend that you thoroughly investigate the system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete other threats which could possibly remain on the system. So get it on the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner, install the software, and then start researching and investigating your device with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.